I just went and picked up groceries from Aldi, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you what I got. Got some chocolate puffs and some Berry Kids Crunch. Then back here, I also got some fruit rounds. My kids have been really into eating cereal as a snack at night, so I got a few boxes for them. I got some of these fruit and grain bars, the strawberry ones. I got the blueberry and the strawberry last time, and my kids prefer the strawberry ones, so I got a box of those. And then both of my kids loved these chewy dipped bars, so I got 2 boxes of those because there's only 6 in each one. We love this ultimate cheeseburger, like hamburger helper type of thing. I got 2 things of ground beef as well back here, and I got 2 of these. We're gonna have one of these this week for dinner, and then I have another one to keep on hand because I find myself during the weekend not really wanting to cook. So if I have something like this quick to just throw together, I won't want to eat out because I'm trying to cut back on eating out and spending a bunch of money on the weekends, like eating out wise. So I got one of them for the weekend as well, just as a quick and easy meal. I got 2 things of bread. We go through bread rather quickly in this house. A thing of egg noodles. I got these deli rolls for dinner tonight. Some pretzel slims, original potato chips, and sour cream and onion chips. My kids bounce back and forth between which ones they like, so I just got them both this time. I got iced mini oatmeal cookies. Those looked good. The kids will probably really like those. I got some Clubhouse crackers back here, and then some baked cheese crackers like Cheez-Its. Got some Honeycrisp apples back here, 6 bananas. I got a bag of onions. I need a couple onions for a couple different recipes this week, so I just went ahead and got a bag, and Aldi really only sells them in a bag anyway. Back here I got some spinach. Got a thing of shaved steak. I thought I got 2 of these, but one will be just fine. Got some butter, some 4% small curd cottage cheese. Got some Pringles. Some, what are these, peaches? I got some peach cups for the kids for snacks. Some string cheese and provolone sliced cheese down here for dinner. Got some Kraft singles for sandwiches. Bacon Caesar salad kit for whenever we have the cheesy skillet. I like to do like some fresh veggies with it or a salad, something like that. Got 2 dozen of eggs and then 4 things of this kibasi. Last couple things is over here. I just got some 2% milk. A thing of water. I need to order a big case of water from Walmart, but we're completely out, so I just grabbed a little case, a 24 pack from Aldi. I got some green grapes and some red grapes. My kids have been dying for grapes, and I just made it to the grocery store. We got some of these little peppers. The kids had these the other day and they loved them, so I grabbed some. So originally I got 1 thing of blueberries, a thing of raspberries, and a thing of blackberries, but apparently they didn't have raspberries or blackberries, and they substituted the raspberries and blackberries for blueberries. So I got 3 things of blueberries, which I'm not upset about because my kids will eat them. My daughter ate almost an entire carton of blueberries last night as a snack, so these will definitely still get eaten. I got 3 bell peppers because I have 3 green bell peppers in the refrigerator still, so I figured I'll get a couple colored ones for dinner tonight. And then I also got a head of cabbage. It is raining and gross outside, and it's now 3:42, so it's gonna be getting dark here pretty soon, which I'm a summer person. I like whenever it stays light out longer in the day. All that to say, that is why the lighting is weird in my kitchen right now. But for dinner this week, I'm gonna be doing I'm gonna be doing Philly cheese subs with French fries. I didn't buy any French fries. We'll probably just do them with chips since we have chips on hand or something like that. I might have some vegetables in the refrigerator. I don't know. I'll pick a side. But the main course tonight is going to be Philly cheese subs. I'm also going to be making cabbage and noodles. And then we're also going to have the hamburger helper, the cheeseburger skillet thing with the salad kit. And then I also have like spaghetti on hand as well. So that'll be another meal this week. But yeah, I need to get fruit. We're all out of produce and things like that. So that is why I had to do a quick Aldi pickup order. I spent $150, I think. Maybe it was a little bit less than $150 after they like refunded some of the things because I did a pickup, and the way that works is if something isn't available, they'll either replace it or refund it. So I think I spent a little bit less than $150 this time, which Still more than what I want to spend, but at least I got some food for the family. So let's go ahead and put it all away.